Students, today we will see application of Wheatstone bridge by performing experiment. See, experiment 1. Aim of the experiment is using a meter bridge determine the resistance of about 100 centimeter constant wire. Students, we know that meter bridge works on the principle of Wheatstone bridge. Here you see the working of a meter bridge is based on the principle of Wheatstone bridge. When the bridge is balanced, here you see when the bridge is balanced, our balanced condition is P upon Q is equal to R upon S. Suppose S is our unknown resistance. So, simplifying this relation, we can get S is equal to R Q upon P. Now, see the circuit diagram. Here we are having one resistance box, unknown resistance. A and B are 1 meter long wire. It is mounted on a wooden board. Now between these two terminals, here we have joined one galvanometer. One end of the galvanometer is connected with jockey. Now see power supply with key. When we join our circuit, after joining the circuit, we plug a key. See the diagram. Here when we place our jockey, suppose J is our jockey, then A to J, it will be L, and rest part of the wire is considered as 100 minus L. Here this L is for P and 100 minus L is for Q. P upon Q is equal to R upon S. Here we have connected our unknown resistance wire. Length of the wire is 100 centimeter. Now, we will draw this type of observation table. Serial number R. SI unit of R is ohm. Here, whatever we take out from our resistance box, that will be for R. L, length between A and J. 100 minus L will be J, B and S, which is unknown resistance. S is equal to R into 100 minus L divided by L. Now, after taking 4 to 5 readings, we will take mean S. Now, come to here. Here we are having our setup. Okay, see apparatus required. For apparatus required, we will write here we are having meter bridge. Okay, 100 meter long wire is mounted on the wooden board and 1 meter length meter scale is mounted on the wooden board. Our resistance box. Okay. Initially, all keys should be tight. Now, resistance box, then unknown wire S, unknown wire, length of this wire is 100 meter. Now, galvanometer, one end of galvanometer is connected with these two resistances and another end is connected with a jockey. Now our power supply we have connected with AC, but here this eliminator is connected with AC, so that here we will get DC. Now power supply is connected with one-way key. Okay, now after joining this circuit we put our key, okay, and switch on that. Yes, now first of all we should check all connections. All connections should be tight, otherwise we'll waste our time. Okay, and one thing, keep it in your mind, when we join our connecting wires, we should take long connecting wire, because if we join small pieces, there will be potential drop. So be careful for it. Now after joining our circuit, I am taking out 1 ohm resistance, 1 ohm key from resistance box. Now let's check what will happen. Now we place jockey at one end. See, galvanometer is showing deflection. Deflection is in one side. Okay, now jockey, I am putting jockey in next end. Now you see deflection is in another side. Okay, now you see my circuit is correct. Okay, now what to do? Here you see we have drawn one observation table, serial number, then I have taken out 1 ohm, so we write R for R 1 ohm. Then if we put our jockey here, see, length is 35, so L 35, 100 minus L, see, it is showing 65, we'll write 65. Then using the formula we can get unknown resistance. Okay, and after getting 5 to 6 observations, we should take average S. Okay, average value of S, that should be in ohm. In this way we can calculate our unknown resistance using meter bridge.